Hi everyone, and a warm welcome and thank you for participating in the annual first Fostering Industrial Research Success Together Industry Workshop 2022, organized by the Singapore University of Technology and Design. I'm Wayne, your host for today. Now, SUTD was established in 2009 to advance knowledge and nurture technically grounded leaders and innovators to serve societal needs. As an institute of higher learning, SUTD is a vital stakeholder in advancing scientific knowledge and conducting cutting-edge research and development to design tomorrow's technology today. The first industry workshop started in 2016 to foster collaborative research by developing and deepening industry-academia ties. Since then, the first industry workshop has been held annually to further expand industry partnerships. It also serves as a platform to showcase research capabilities, industry-relevant applications, and to reinforce SUTD's role as a vital anchor within a vibrant ecosystem of partnerships between academia, industry, and the government. For those of you who have been supporting us since we started, we're glad to have you back. For those who are new to the first industry workshop, I welcome you to this experience. Amidst the COVID-19 pandemic, the first industry workshop has been held virtually since year 2020. In doing so, we enabled this platform to reach out to a wider audience. Now, with the interactive platform that we have for this event, we hope that the event will be an even more enriching experience and would ignite that collaborative spark in you. Before we proceed with the event, let us take a look at the 2021 edition of the first industry workshop. A warm welcome and thank you for joining us at the annual first Fostering Industrial Research Success Together. The first industry workshop started in 2016 to foster collaborative research by developing and deepening industry-academia ties.
For Singapore to gain a competitive edge, we must focus on three key attributes.
And you need to share value with your trusted partner.
We must know ourselves in the past and know the present strength of our competitors and know how to gear up ourselves for the future.
At SUTD, we are developing S-Tetro, a robot that is capable of accessing float as well as staircases.
So finding that right match of skills and requirements is actually very important.
But it's also important to be able to leverage the wider ecosystem.
SME really are the engine of the growth and the innovation in the Asia-Pacific region.
I absolutely believe the next decade or two is going to be a golden era for startups.
So I feel that this disruption is going to completely overhaul the industry.
Once again, a huge shout out to each and every one of our generous and supportive sponsors. Join us next year for the 2022 edition of the first industry workshop on 27th July 2022. I'll see you then. In today's globalized and interconnected world, we all share a common fate and destiny. Corporations, universities, research centers, and institutions are working in close partnership to address these multitudinous challenges. Sustainability is key to the ever-changing global landscape, and it is a way of life. SUTD believes in addressing sustainability as a series of interlinked challenges that are not only solvable, but opportunities for innovation, growth, as well as a more abundant and joyful future. The SUTD Sustainability Plan articulates SUTD's core vision of being the foremost university in the world for technology and design education, as well as research, to offer a unique future-forward approach to making sustainable change. Today, distinguished forum panelists will discuss on the development and utilization of smart technologies to build a resilient and sustainable future, and to overcome challenges brought about by climate change that is further compounded by black swan events like the COVID-19 pandemic. This year, considering the global pandemic, we are indeed honored to receive support from our distinguished keynote speakers, forum panelists, and you to grace our 2022 First Industry Workshop. We are also fortunate to have the support of our esteemed sponsors, without whom this event would not have been possible. On behalf of SUTD, I'd like to thank them for their generous and continued support.